Traditions can be passed down from generation to generation or created in the here and now. All it takes is a little bit of intention, imagination, and creativity. I'm Kimberly Whitman, and my passions are family, entertaining, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Join me now for Styling the Seasons. Welcome. Together, we're going to celebrate fall in style. Fall is all about comfort food, and I'm going to share two of our favorite snacks with you. One of my favorite fall activities, one that my son especially really loves, is pumpkin carving, but then roasting the pumpkin seeds afterwards. So once you've scooped out the insides of those pumpkins and you rinse off the pumpkin seeds, you can do so many delicious things with them. Here, I've just put them in a Ziploc baggie after they've been rinsed and dried. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil so that we can coat them. And we're gonna add seasoned salt because that is my son's favorite. But you could do anything. Garlic salt, you could do like a ranch salt or something like that, or you could do something sweet. You could do cinnamon, brown sugar, any flavor that you like. We're gonna make sure that they all get a nice even coating. We're just gonna make one thin layer on a cookie sheet. Make one nice even layer, and we're gonna pop it in the oven at 300 for about 40 minutes. I like to keep it on a fairly high rack because I like when they get toasty and brown. You're gonna wanna check them every 10 minutes or so. Just make sure that they're getting to the color you want them to be. Pumpkin seeds are also a great way to dress up a salad, or just have around the house for simple snacking. They have a ton of versatility and set the mood for fall so perfectly. I also love to decorate with gourds for fall. They aren't just reserved for Halloween. I love to play with size and scale when I use them in my home. One of our other favorite things to do in the fall is to make s'mores out by a roaring fire. It's so much fun to put a s'mores tray or a s'mores station together. I love to add more than just the traditional graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Why not add some peanut butter cups and maybe something minty? never go wrong with s'mores. They're truly a universal crowd pleaser, no matter how old you are. Plus, nothing says fall like the scent and sounds of a roaring fire. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the way that we love to celebrate fall, and I hope it inspired you to style the seasons in your own unique way. To whatever you celebrate, happy styling!